Let's explore the fundamentals for taking care of your watch so you can keep it looking good and running well. If you have any further questions or need more help afterwards, you can find all our video guides on our website. Our customer service team are also happy to help. To maintain your watch's water resistance, make sure your crown is always seated correctly against the case and screwed down if applicable when not winding or setting. Although your watch will have been pressure tested by Christopher Ward before making its way to you, it's worth remembering there are many variables which can affect the water resistance of your watch. For example, differing levels of water resistance are capable of increasing amounts of exposure to water. 30 meters is fine for hand washing, 50 meters for swimming, and 100 meters for diving. In addition, wearing your watch in the bath, shower or sauna can also have an effect, as a rapid increase in temperature can cause seals to expand and, in extreme cases, malfunction or create condensation. Make sure you are using the water resistance rating of your watch as a guide. This will be listed in your owner's handbook and on our website. We recommend you service your watch with us every 3 to 4 years to keep it in peak condition and maintain your 60/60 guarantee. Our approach to service and repairs is about uncompromised quality and value for money. Our process, led by our expert technicians, is fairly priced and will have your watch back on your wrist in reasonable time. If your watch needs a little freshen up day to day, you can use the polishing cloth it came with to gently wipe away any smudges. If it needs a deeper clean, dip a soft brush, such as a baby's toothbrush or cloth, into some soapy water so it's damp, and clean the watch and the bracelet. Be careful not to get it too wet depending on the watch's water resistance, and make sure the crown is seated correctly against the case and screwed down if applicable before you begin. You might find it helpful to remove the bracelet or strap from the watch before cleaning. To remove the strap, pinch the protruding pin on the back of the strap inwards where it connects with the watch and lever out. For the bracelet, pinch the pair of pins on the back together and pull the strap or bracelet away from the watch. If your strap is rubber or leather, you can also wipe a damp cloth over it in the same way. If your strap is looking tired and you need a new one, you can find the strap size in your owner's handbook and on our website to order a replacement. Make sure you dry your watch thoroughly with a clean, soft cloth before reattaching your bracelet or strap and wearing it again. Many people ask if they need to store their mechanical watch in a watch winder when they aren't wearing it. A watch winder gently rotates your watch, mimicking a wearer's movements to keep the power reserve topped up. A watch winder is not a necessity for storing a mechanical watch, but it can offer the convenience of keeping your watch wound and set to the correct time. A winder will, however, only work for automatic, also called self-winding watches. If your watch is quartz or hand wound, then using a winder will have no effect. If you do not wear your hand wound or automatic watch for a couple of days, you might find it has stopped when you next come to wear it, so you'll need to wind it to get it going again. We have a separate video on winding your watch. If your quartz watch has stopped, it's likely it needs a new battery. In this instance, please contact the Christopher Ward customer service team. Many people like to store their watch in a case or roll if they aren't wearing it or are traveling, to keep it safe and secure. We recommend making sure your watch is not stored closely to any magnets or in an environment that is damp, where the temperature can fluctuate significantly or be too cold or hot. This is because the seals that keep your watch water resistant can expand and, in extreme cases, malfunction or create condensation.